Large-scale organizations face challenges such as complexity, misalignment, and ineffective collaboration. Like you, enterprise leaders everywhere are looking for ways to stop these common pitfalls from slowing work down, bringing innovation to a halt, and causing delivery failures. 99% of Fortune 500 companies solve these challenges with the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite. Lucid is where teams collaborate, get aligned, and accelerate work. With connected applications for intelligent diagramming and virtual whiteboarding, the Lucid Suite provides capabilities for agile development and project planning, visualizing cloud architecture and technical systems, documenting processes and workflows. Lucid builds deep partnerships with customers, ensuring their success through offerings such as professional services and premium support for tailored white glove solutions, the Enterprise Shield add-on for enhanced security and control, advanced capabilities including team hubs, visual activities, AI functionality, and more. See and build the future faster with Lucid.